In this lesson, we look at the in operator in SQL. The in operator allows you to specify multiple values in a where clause. The in operator is a shorthand for multiple or conditions. This is also used when you have multiple conditions, and those conditions are in the same, let's say, attribute of the data. Let's start by selecting students who are in classes. We start with 3, then we have 6, and we have class 8. We want students who are in class 3, class 6, and class 8. Let's see if we get any of these students. We got the student in classes 3, 6, and class 8, that is. We can negate this condition by adding a not before the in clause. There we go. And you'll notice now that we have the reverse of that. That is the opposite of that. We have classes, all the classes except class 3, 6, and 8. Also, we can select where we want to say that we want to select specific IDs. Let's see, we want ID 2, 3, 10, 5, and let's say 20. Those are the students we want, and based on the ID, there we go. We have student with the ID 3, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Or we can add a few, let's say 30, 23, 26, 16, and let's run that again. There we go. We have those specific students. Then we can negate this by adding not before our condition, and we get the rest of the student except the stated ones. And that's it. That's how we use the not, in, and in. These are mostly used in cases where we want to select based on a tuple. Next, let us look at the between clause. The between clause is used to filter results within a specific range, and in this case, we'll use the where and specify that we want student with mark between, let's say, 50 and we run this. There we go. All the students in our output had marks between 50 and 60. And that's how we use the between. We can also change this to, let's say, between, let's say, 75 and 90. Let's see how many students got this. There are many students who got the mark between 75 and 90. We can narrow this down to 85 to 90 and see how many got this. We also have so many students between 85, and we can select also, let's say, 90 to 100 and see how many students got that. We have only 3 students. Now we can combine the between clause and another clause, let's say, or mark between and or plus is equals to 3. There we go. They should show the students plus those in class 3 and those who got mark between 90 and 100. There you go. The beautified version of this is as shown above. We have learned to use the in, the not in, and the between.